Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Flow subscription on iOS so you don't get charged again. Let's jump right into it. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings application. Inside here, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or your profile name. Inside here, you will then be able to find subscription button. Go ahead and simply tap onto it. And just like that, in this section, you'll be able to find all of your active and expired subscription. In my case, I don't have it, but if you do, you want to go ahead and simply scroll through the list and find Flow. Tap on Flow and then tap on Cancel Subscription. Confirm your cancellation by following the on-screen instruction. Once cancelled, your Flow subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Flow subscription on iOS. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.